I am going to share the best and cheapest way out there for vibe coding. For past few days, I have been using Qwen Code CLI, which is a 100% free and open source alternative to Cloud Code. And with this Qwen Code CLI, I have been using Qwen 3 Coder Next, which is one of the best and cheapest AI model out there for coding. It costs only $0.12 per million input tokens and $0.75 per million output tokens. And in fact, I have created some real projects, something like this prediction market platform. So I wanted to create a platform like Polymarket where people can actually predict and bet about different things. So I created this platform using Qwen Code CLI and Qwen 3 Coder Next. And here you can see, just like Polymarket, people can actually bet on different things with real money. I also created some other demos as well, but I will show you these demos in a minute. So Qwen 3 Coder Next is a recently released open weight AI model which is specifically designed for coding agents and local developments. You can check out these different benchmarks and you can see it performs really well on all of these different benchmarks in comparison to other competitor AI models, something like DeepSeek, GLM5 and Minimax. And what makes it interesting is not just its performance but its efficiency, and we'll test it across different CLI agents and we'll see how it performs on different other CLI agents, something like OpenCode, something like Cloud Code, and of course with Qwen Code as well. So first let's just see how you can use it, Qwen Code CLI. So just go to Google and look for Qwen Code CLI, and from here you can just click on this GitHub repository. Simply just open this GitHub repository, and after that you can find this GitHub repository. In here there is a very detailed guideline to install this Qwen Code CLI inside your terminal. You can install in VS Code as well, by the way. So there is just one command. You need to just run this command. Just copy it from here and then open your terminal and then run it inside your terminal. Simply just choose your project directory and then just run it inside your directory, and that's it. Once Qwen Code is installed, now simply just type Qwen and press enter, and now it will initialize Qwen Code CLI. So you can see the Qwen Code CLI has been initialized now. Whenever you will be using it for the first time, it will ask you to log in. So you can use Qwen Auth to log in, and you can just log in using your Qwen account, and it will give you free credits as well that resets every day. That means you can use Qwen Code CLI every day for free. Of course, there will be a daily usage cap, but you can for sure use Qwen 3 Coder Next inside Qwen Code CLI for free. So for this first task, I have just created an empty directory. I'm just going to open Qwen Code CLI inside here. I'll just click on right click, open in terminal, then just look for Qwen, Kwen, and press enter, and now I will just give it a prompt. I can give it a prompt, something create a finance management application in Flutter. So this is my basic simple prompt. I wanted to create a Flutter application. I did not set up a Flutter project. I want Qwen Code CLI to do all of this by itself. So I'm just going to press enter. So first it will create a Flutter project, an empty Flutter project, and then after that it will develop that project. So you can see it has created this to-do list for itself. So the first step is to create Flutter project structure. The second task will be to set up a pubspec.yaml with dependencies. The third task will be to create data models, and so you can see it's a very detailed task that it is going to execute. So it's of course going to take some time, and I'm just going to click on allow always and press enter, and now it is going to basically run all of the commands which are going to be required during this entire development process. So we are just going to monitor it while it is doing this task, and first we can see it has already initialized this Flutter project in here inside our directory. I can directly see in here, and now it has moved to this next task, which is pubspec.yaml. And now I'm just going to press on enter again. So now basically it is going to use all of the packages which are required for this application, and then it will create the complete application structure. So let's just wait for it. I will just pause this video for a second and then we'll resume in a minute. Okay, there you go. All of the tasks have been completed now, and right now you can see it is creating the APK file Flutter build. Basically it is creating that. So project basically is ready. I can just open this in a new terminal, or maybe I can directly open this inside VS Code and then I can directly access my code in there. So this is our project that we just created, and in fact you can access Qwen here as well. So you can just write Qwen inside this terminal of VS Code. Just write Qwen and it will open Qwen here, and then you can give a task to Qwen to just run this project for web only, or maybe on your Android device as well. Okay, so when I tried to run this project, it had some errors. So now Qwen Code CLI is basically fixing all those errors. So let's just wait for it to fix all these errors, and then we'll just try to run it again. Alright, so finally all of the errors have been fixed, and now we can just run this project. By the way, so far I'm just using the free credits only. I did not purchase any plan. I am actually absolutely using Qwen 3 Coder Next absolutely for free. And as I showed you earlier, just today I created several different projects using Qwen Code CLI, and still I did not run out of the credits. And performance wise, it did really well. Just have a look at the application that it just created. So this is the finance tracker application that we just created. We just gave it like a simple prompt. I know the user interface can be enhanced, but overall this is like a proper application, proper finance tracker application. You can of course enhance the design further, but so far you can see with just one simple prompt it created a proper detailed budget management application. Now let's just test Qwen 3 Coder Next AI model in other AI coding agents, something like Cloud Code, something like OpenCode. Both of these, Cloud Code and OpenCode, you can download absolutely for free. I'll just guide you in a minute, and then you can use Qwen 3 Coder Next directly in both of these CLI agents. If you want to use Qwen 3 Coder Next through an API, you can directly do that through the official website of Qwen, through the API platform. Or if you don't want to use it through the official website, then you can directly use it through these third-party AI model platforms, something like OpenRouter. So you can just go to OpenRouter, sign up, and then just create an API key, and then start using Qwen 3 Coder Next using OpenRouter. So let's suppose you want to use Qwen 3 Coder Next inside OpenCode. You can just go to this GitHub repository of OpenCode. OpenCode is just another CLI agent, just like Qwen Code CLI that I just showed you earlier. And you can first install OpenCode, and then you can just start using Qwen 3 Coder Next inside OpenCode. So to install OpenCode, just go to opencode.ai and then just copy this command from here, because we are on Windows. So I'm just going to copy this command for npm, and then you can just open a terminal, paste that command in here, and now OpenCode is going to be installed right here inside our CLI. There you go, it's installed now. I can just write OpenCode, and now you can see OpenCode has been started, and it is asking us to use OpenRouter to access the different large language models. So I can press OK now. And this is the basic interface of OpenCode, and you can see currently it is using Gemini 3 Pro. So let's just switch it from Gemini 3 Pro to Qwen 3 Code Next. So first I'm just going to run this command connect to connect our provider. In our case, we're just going to connect OpenRouter, and now I can just press enter, and then I can just provide my API key. I have just copied my API key, and then I'm just going to paste it in here. I will just skip that part inside video so you do not copy my API key. API key has been provided. And now I can just look for Qwen 3 Coder. So now we are using Qwen 3 Coder inside OpenCode, and now we can just like start giving it the prompt. We can just give it a prompt to create a basic landing page. So I will just give this simple prompt, create basic landing page for a roofing company in London. So let's just see how it works actually. So I'll just press enter, and now you can see just like Qwen Code CLI, Qwen 3 Coder has also started working on this task. Qwen Code is constantly updating the tool with more user-friendly features. They have just released SDKs for Java and TypeScript. If you're building apps in those languages, you can integrate Qwen directly now. Also, the new version 0.11.0 has this insights feature in here that gives you personalized programming tips. Think of it as getting personalized programming insights tailored to your specific code base. Now the free tier gives you 1000 requests a day, which is great. However, if you're running heavy workflows and that's not enough, I recommend you looking at the Alibaba Cloud Model Studio coding plan. The light plan costs only $3 for the first month, and you get 1200 requests every 5 hours. Now the process to use Qwen 3 Coder inside Cloud Code is also similar. The only difference based on my experience is Cloud Code is suitable for large scale projects and paid usage in enterprises. Well, Qwen Code CLI is ideal for individual developers seeking to enhance productivity through the free long-term use, because if you have seen, the daily credits quota is very generous, so you can easily just like develop all of your projects literally absolutely for free. So combining Qwen Code CLI with Qwen 3 Coder Next, it actually makes the best combination out there for vibe coding. On the other hand, OpenCode is suited for exploratory developers who want to experiment with more coding models. So for most of my audience, Qwen Code CLI with Qwen 3 Coder Next, that actually makes the more sense. If you have any questions about this workflow, just leave your comments in the comment section, and I see you next video. Bye bye.